Also happening in Ottawa County, a hearing today that will determine the outcome of whether or not the county health officer keeps her job.
Yeah, in it, we heard testimony from several people, and today is just day one. A long road ahead. Our Matt Whitcoast live from West Olive with a recap, Matt.
Yes, Josh and Max, the corporate counsel said this isn't a court proceeding, but a hearing to hear out Adeline Hambley as a health officer. And while they said it's not a court proceeding, really you get the feeling of it because the Board of Commissioners room has changed up drastically to where you have two tables set up for both corporate counsel and Adeline Hambley and her attorney, with people also swearing in to testify on their discussions when it comes to the 2024 budget process. Now, Adeline Hambley is facing 4 charges from corporate counsel, including neglect of duty, misconduct, and incompetence. Now, her attorney argues her client was doing what the Hambley believed was right by informing the public about these proposed budget cuts that happened in late August. Ottawa County's corporate counsel disagrees, saying that she created public fear. Today, we heard from several county officials who had a hand in this year's budget.
She never said anything to me that I felt was inaccurate about where we were.
Hambley's attorney, Sarah Howard, calling 8 witnesses to the stand. Karen Karenzinski, Ottawa County's finance director, was a main witness.
We present a budget calendar to the Finance Committee and Board in February that lays out the full plan, and it really starts right then.
Despite starting in February, a lot of the conversation focused on email communication in late August. It was right around the time Hambley went public, warning that proposed budget cuts could close the health department. One of those charges Hambley faces alleges those claims are false and caused confusion, anxiety, fear, and panic in the community. Her attorney, Sarah Howard, asked Karenzinski how informed Hambley was on potential outcomes of budget cuts.
She's never engaged in any kind of misconduct, willful or otherwise, as far as you know.
As far as I know, yes.
Another key witness, one of Karenzinski's employees, Nina Baranowski, works inside the health department overseeing budget issues and questions throughout the year. She painted a picture of what communication was like between public health and County Administrator John Gibbs, saying there were delays on getting authorization for certain grants.
For the fiscal year 24 contract, I would say so. We set some requests. Even the state of Michigan sent emails for deadlines being missed.
Meanwhile, the county's attorney, who's arguing in support of those charges, thinks today went well for his side, adding that he believes nothing said today exonerates Hambley.
John Gibbs never told you to cut Miss Hambley out of it in the process, did he?
He did not.
Now the hearing picks up again tomorrow at 8 a.m. here inside the Ottawa County Board of Commissioners room. Now we are expecting County Administrator John Gibbs to testify first, then Health Officer Adeline Hambley to also follow up with John Gibbs. Now, one of the arguments, once these arguments are all wrapped up, the County Commissioners will act as jurors when it comes to this hearing. Sarah Howard has commented to me yesterday that she believes that the majority of these commissioners who are backed by Ottawa Impact plan to vote her client out as a health officer. She says that she does plan to follow up with a wrongful termination lawsuit. Reporting live here in Ottawa County, I'm Matt Whitcoast, Fox 17 News.